Divide 7 divided by 2 and 1/3. Whenever I do a whole number divided by a mixed number, the first thing I want to do is turn them both into improper fractions. How do I turn a 7 into an improper fraction? Well, you could turn 7 or any number into a fraction by just putting it over 1. 7 over 1 is going to be my new improper fraction. Do that with any number. Now, in order to turn that mixed number to an improper fraction, it's not quite the same. You're going to multiply the 2 to the denominator of 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. Now take that number, 6, and add it to the numerator of 1. That gets you 7. And you have 7 over your old denominator of 3. Your division symbol is just going to drop down. Easy peasy. Now we have a fraction divided by a fraction. Whenever we do a fraction divided by a fraction, we use the rule keep, change, flip. What does that mean? Well, that means keep the first fraction of 7 over 1, change divided by to multiplication, and flip 7 over 3 to 3 over 7. Now we're multiplying two fractions. And not only that, I noticed that one of the numbers in the numerator is the same as the number in the denominator. And when you have a number that's the same in the numerator as you have in the denominator, you're allowed to cross those numbers out and turn them into ones. So this becomes 1 times 3, which is 3, and 1 times 1, which is 1. And finally, 3 divided by 1 is just 3. And that's going to be your answer.